Hola, bienvenidos a tu clase de Español 102. Welcome to your Spanish 102 class. I'm going to give you a general tour so you know how to navigate and what is the basic structure of the course. So this is going to be our welcoming page, the Start Here page for the first 2 weeks only. Once you've finished and everybody has done their Start Here page with all these steps and have done all these activities, you're going to be opening into the announcement page. This is going to be the page that you're going to permanently see. So if there are any new announcements, you will be able to see them immediately as soon as you open the course. Okay, so the Getting Started section has two tabs, the Start Here and the Course Essential. You should immediately do step by step all these 7 different steps that are required from you to be able to successfully start this course. So you have a little quiz that will give you an idea of how well prepared you are for taking this hybrid course or any online class, but it is not a total requirement in the sense that it's not a graded quiz that will not allow you to enroll in the class. So for the step number 2, you're going to be seeing this video that I'm preparing for you. For number 3, you're going to be able to have access to the syllabus. It will open a page where the syllabus is, in which all the basic information is there. Now, important things is the way in which you should format the correspondence, the emails that you're going to be sending me, the contact information that you have over here. In case you need to talk to me, all the basic learning objectives, responsibilities, the structure of the course, the required materials for the course that you're going to be learning in the Start Here page, and some technical information about the requirements, the applications, and very important, what are going to be the assignments or the activities you're going to be responsible for to earn a passing grade in the class. So exams, we're going to have 4. Then we're going to have 2 oral exams. We're going to have a writing project or 3 writing assignments, very little ones, as they are going to be about 150 words each. You're going to have activities, homework that you're going to be doing daily. Then you have the autopruebas, which are the study guides for the test. You're going to have the workbook assignments, capítulos del cuaderno. So each chapter has a set of exercises, and then you're going to have the extra part practice of Orion, which is extra credit, and then the cultural project. Very important, 2 of the exams that we're going to have are going to be proctored in the classroom, and then 2 others are going to be completed at home. So that's pretty much the grading scale. We also have a statement in terms of accommodation and disabilities, and the guidance of how you should be writing your emails, basic classroom policies, and some links for technical help. Other resources that are useful for you are going to be there. Very important. If you hear a voice within you say you cannot speak Spanish, then by all means speak, and that voice will be silenced. This is an adapted quote from Vincent van Gogh, one of my favorite painters. So this is the syllabus for Spanish 102. I'm going to now get back to our course and tell you that the course is divided in 5 formal sections. Besides that Getting Started section, the course information, we have the learning section, we have the collaboration section, the assessment section, and then resources, right? And then the grades, the grading summary, and so forth. So when I'm going to change the mode to the student preview, so that way what you are looking at is exactly what you're going to be looking in your screen when you open the course. So as soon as this thing gets refreshed, we'll start. So like I told you, the Start Here page is going to change, and the announcement page is the one that we are going to permanently have. Here in the course information, you have the general information about myself. Where are the contacts, my contact office, my office to contact me, the Zoom information when we're zooming in for virtual meetings, my web page, etc. Then we have the syllabus that I already show you, and here is the printable version, the PDF, in case you need it. But very important, it is the calendar. Although you can see the calendar here, you can always open a PDF and print it out, because here are all the general dates that you're going to be needing to know when big assignments are due. Okay, then we get into one of the most important sections, the learning sections, where an overview of the chapters are there, plus another set of links that are helpful for studying and learning grammar and so forth. Most importantly, the chapters. This is where you're going to start learning your chapters. Chapter number 5, you click here, and then after the general overview of the chapter, you will have here a week learning objective week, the dates in which this chapter, it's called Capítulo 5, covers 1 week through the 3rd. And then here we have Semana 1, enero 23, enero 29, in which you will have the description of what you are going to be doing every Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday. It's the way that the week is structured. And then in the bottom, of course, my name, and then the week title and the learning objectives. Okay, and the subject area in general, what are the grammatical points that we are going to be emphasizing on? In this case is direct object pronouns. So in order to assist you to visualize or to navigate here, you can always minimize the main menu and then have this table of contents here enlarged. So when you are working in the class and section, when you don't need to be referring to the main tabs, you can always do this to facilitate visually what you're going to be doing. So here you have week number 1, and then every week has 3 main days in which activities are due. So lunes, miércoles, y domingo. So Monday, Wednesdays, and Sundays. I've divided the due dates in 3 different days to facilitate the way in which you organize your studying and how you actually manage the time and the material you have to cover. So as you can see, there is a set of activities you have to go in order, doing one by one. And then at the end of every day, you're going to have the homework, which is called tarea. So here you have tarea number 1, or homework number 1, homework number 2. And then on Sunday, you don't have any homework assigned. And then week number 2 repeats itself. And then as you can see, then you have the tarea number 3 due for Monday, and then Wednesday, homework number 4. Now it is important that you understand that this is the daily homework. The main assignments and the main activities, you are going to have to look for them here into the assessment section. Okay, so you're going to have to be working in your Wiley Plus Capítulos and Orion every day. So these two sections of the assessments are important. So here you're going to have the first cuaderno capítulo 5 sección 1 and the autoprueba capítulo 5 sección 1 and so forth. Everything for chapter 5 are the first things that you're going to have to be doing. And here is activities manual section number 1, activities manual section number 2. These are important assignments and they are worth a lot of points. And they take more than one sitting to be completed. So you have to be working every day, little by little, to complete them. So the autopruebas, they may seem a lot, but they are only 2 or 3 questions at a time. The way that they've organized this new system is that you are going through the book, and as you're going through each little section of the book, then you complete a set of questions that will help you to build up your skills for the test. You can always return to study them, but that's why I've set up this Orion Adaptive Practice for chapter 5.1 and 5.2. The first exam is going to cover chapter 5 and chapter 6. So it's very important that you do this adaptive practice because these are most likely reflect the exact questions or a lot of the way in which the test is going to be organized. So very important that you do that. And the due dates are there. So what I want to point out to you is that every time you click on any activity in Wiley, let's say this Orion activity, and they take you to the Wiley activity, this is the first page that you're going to be seeing in which you're going to have to purchase your instant access. Okay, so very important that you purchase the online version of the book, which is this one, and that's all you need. You don't need the printed book, and you don't need any other bundle or any other thing. Okay, so if you are uncertain and you don't know if you're going to be able to take this class, you can say, I'm not ready to buy, that I would like to use the 14-day grace period. Okay, so you can enroll for 14 days and then purchase if you're not ready. But if you are certain you're going to take this class and you don't want anybody else to take your place, just purchase the Wiley Plus right there. Okay, so I make sure that every time that you get there, you click to the return button to get back to Blackboard. Well, that's all that I need to tell you for today, and I hope that this is a little helpful to give you a little understanding on how to navigate the course. And we'll be seeing each other throughout the semester. I hope you enjoyed your Spanish. Bienvenidos y espero verlos pronto. Please do not hesitate to email me or visit at my office hours every Monday live or through Zoom to meet with me virtually or make an appointment at your convenience. Okay, I'm only on campus on Mondays, but you can always make an appointment to meet virtually with me any other day of the week in which we can figure out the schedules. Okay, thank you so much. Muchas gracias y bienvenidos.